And here in this post, the other topic is given by Rajiv Ahmed sir. The topic is no one is perfect. So revise again. I do not know how many people are there who can write without any mistake. I know for sure that I am not of them. If you are one of them, then ignore this tip. But those who are not sure about their being perfect in the first attempt, I know for sure that I am not of them. If you are one of them, then ignore this tip. But those who are not sure about their being perfect in the first attempt should give enough time and attention for making the writing error free. The fewer mistakes you have, the better. Revising helps you another way. It can give you new ideas to enrich your article. Mistakes makes a man perfect, we all know that, and whoever you are, writer, blogger, YouTuber, or graphic designer, freelancer, yes, so you can, mistakes is normal thing. We all make mistakes, but if we try, if you work hard for remove those mistakes, and if we want to success, then we can give time for our dream, for our career, for our effort. And suppose you are making lot of mistakes in your writing, then it doesn't matter. It means that you are failure. It doesn't it means not that you can't do anything. It means that mistakes is normal thing, and if you try to do your work for work correctly, if you then you soon you will be pass. So don't care about your mistakes, don't care whatever people telling you, and we never should care about the negative people all the time who wants to demotivate us. And it means not that all the time any people will give inspiration to you. If anyone is not giving inspiration to you, then you can give inspiration to yourself, and this is the best way for learning and get success. Thank you so much. And the other topic is read a lot. This is perhaps the most common advice given to every would-be writer. There is two things to consider, however. I read only about field. Should I read only about my field for writing? Should I read a lot about other fields too? Suppose I am a sports writer and I write about football or basketball. Of course, it is very important to know about my field, basketball or football. But reading about other fields will not harm me at all. Rather, the more we can read outside of our field, the more we can enrich our articles. Sir has written here by given the with importance of reading, and we will be able to write with lot of topics with very important informative important information when we will read. And reading is important. Reading means we are knowing a lot of things. We are getting a lot of informative information about a lot of things. Suppose you are all the time you write about inspirational post. It means not all the time you have to read about inspirational post. You can read about more topic. So sir has written in the last line that rather the more we can read outside of our field, the more we can enrich our articles. Okay, and the other topic